Shark Rocket HV322 Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum Review. The Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro TruePet HV322 is corded and converts to hand vac mode. It comes with a bare floor tool and a motorized small brush accessory. It can also be stored compactly and the dirt chamber can be emptied in one step. The Shark Rocket is very good for use on bare floors. It does an outstanding job of cleaning all kinds of debris. It's reasonably easy to maintain, and there are few recurring costs, which is nice. On the downside, it has subpar build quality, with plastic elements that feel a little fragile. If you take a Dyson V-Series cordless vacuum, beefed it up, and added a cord, the TruePet HV322 would be the result of it. This model is one of Shark's early attempts at catching up with Dyson when it comes to manufacturing high-quality stick vacuums. The downside to being beefier is the added weight. And the HV322 is a lot more top-heavy, so it isn't as easy to use as to clean above floors as a smaller cordless stick vacuum as a Dyson V8 would. But it's less expensive than even Dyson's cheapest cord-free option, the V6. Bare Floor Performance. It comes with two tools for cleaning bare floors. The floor attachment has a brush that you cannot switch off, but it is adjustable. Using the one setting will protect the floors from scuffs since the brush will not spin as fast. Another tool is the floor genie that doesn't have a motorized brush but only relies on suction to pick up dirt on hard surfaces. Also attached to it is a microfiber cloth similar to that of a Dyson Hard that, in theory, wipes the floor clean, but if you clean a massive area, it could get dirty fast, and you'd have to wash it so it can be a nuisance. Carpet Performance. When cleaning carpet floors, you have to set it as setting 2 or the max setting so that the beater bar will be able to dig in and deep clean carpet. Based on the video and written reviews, it does an excellent job on area rugs and carpet. One thing to note about the swivel steering, though, while it can swivel, it does not turn to a 90-degree angle as a Dyson does. It swivels only to a 45-degree angle, so don't expect Dyson-like performance in terms of maneuverability. Upholstery Performance. In addition to the crevice and dusting brush tool that clean loose dirt, it comes with a TruePet motorized brush that will work well on upholstery. It will pick up embedded dirt like pet hair on fabric upholstery. Take note that this is only available on the HV322. Pet hair removal. That same TruePet motorized brush will work well in removing pet hair on upholstery. On stairs, you can use the TruePet brush or attach the primary floor tool directly to the motor for more deep cleaning. Another tool you can use for cleaning pet hair is the upholstery tool that has fabric strips on both sides to agitate and pick up hair on upholstery, curtains, or bed sheets. Does the Shark Rocket TruePet Ultralight HV322 provide good value? At its current price point, the Shark Rocket HV322 brings a lot to the table when it comes to versatility and performance. It has some features that even the Dyson V-Series cordless does not have, and these include the LED headlights, hard floor tool that consists of a mop, and the extra long crevice tool that adds to the reach. The bigger body and larger motor, unfortunately, adds to the weight, making it more top-heavy than even the Dyson V10 or V11. It comes with attachments that are suitable for cleaning pet hair on chairs, sofas, and stairs such as the TruePet brush tool and upholstery tool. Cleaning performance is excellent on carpets and decent on bare floors. If that is the case, then this product is a bargain despite the more bulky